A trip to London is incomplete without a visit to the Tower of London. The site dates back to the 11th century, and it is guarded by the Yeoman Warders, or beefeaters. King Henry VIII first introduced beefeaters in 1485, when he used them as bodyguards. Their duties included looking after the prisoners in the tower and guarding the crown jewels. Nowadays, their main role is to act as guides for many tourists that visit the tower every year. They also take care of the 8 big black ravens that live in the tower. There are 36 Yeoman Warders at the tower, and they are all men who were in the armed forces for 22 years or more. They live in the tower with their families. The beefeaters are most famous for their striking red and gold uniform, but they actually only wear this on formal occasions. Most of the time they wear a dark blue uniform with red trimmings. No one is exactly sure where the name beefeater comes from. One theory says that the warders used to be paid with meat instead of money. Others say that the name comes from the French word buffetier. Buffetiers were guards in the palace of French kings. They protected the king's food